Every wall I ever built came crumbling down before. But your hand inside of mine feels like bedrock, something more. This ain't written on the wind.
Sanibonani Khaya. Igama lami MK. It's another episode. Sebi, and I think it's the second or third episode this year. Yes, Sebi. But today I'm with these two beautiful ladies. Sis Maylene, Ecalin Gwam, and then after her, Sis Tandiwe. Gama soccer players, but we're going to learn a bit about that in just a few. But for now, welcome ladies. Ninja Animar.
Oh, we good.
Okay. How nervous are you?
You are very nervous, very nervous.
Yeah.
So should we take a break, Sisakala, or Skubek?
Yeah.
Sure,
Yeah.
like you've taken a right decision, Yokzogala, today. No regrets so far.
No regrets. we in fact happy. Shabli with Isla.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Kunjani ukushisa?
Yo.
Kunjani ukushisa?
Ngiyashisa ukushisa.
Yani?
Yeah.
Okay. I actually want to get to it, ne? I want to get to it. Purpose of this episode or of this podcast, it's for us to get to know you guys, to get to know where you're coming from, where you at, and where you're going. Yeah, so that if ever we're interested, journey yakho sizoqala ukufollow. Yeah, if ever asikfollow we already. But today we'll be talking about personal background yenu, and then sizoya kwi-football, and then sizokhuluma ngama-challenges, and then sikhulume nge-identity yenu, and the future of abantu abangomama kwi-sports. But we'll break down ukuthi kahle kahle what is it that we'll be talking about specifically under these key points. Ne? Okay, Aniko nervous?
No.
Okay. So one of my questions that I'm going to be asking are going to be directed to the two of you. Okay. Yeah, to the two of you. So even if kupendule bani, but then if I need the two of you to answer your question A1, I will still state. Yeah, so for now, what I'm mostly interested in your background in can you introduce yourselves and tell us a bit nje ukuthi nibuya kuphi? Anyone can start.
Okay. My name is Maylene Naidu. I'm 17 years old. Ngifunda Palm Ridge. I'm from a very low family, a middle class family, I'd say. Yeah, and yeah, that's all I can say.
Alright, mina nginguthandiwe wakaMukwena. Yeah, eBholeni bangibiza ngoGeneral. So yeah, ngihlala khona ePalm Ridge Station 4 ngikhulele khona. And then about family background I'm not comfortable, yabo.
You're not comfortable?
Yes.
Ngayo.
Yeah, so
Okay,
I won't say a lot about it.
Okay. I feel like we should actually jump the question then, obviously, all a segment that's talking about your background that involves your family, and actually get straight to your football. Okay, let's do that. But then obviously there's a journey that you guys took, or that you guys went through, and yenze ubangaba ni decide ukuthi, you know what, out of zonke sports ezikhona, out of zonke creativities ezikhona, you guys are going to choose soccer. Yabo, I'm very much interested kwi-journey yenu ukuthi how you fell in love with it to a point that you are even going to play it.
How I fell in love with football. It started in a simple way, I'd say, because one of my friends told me that there's a ladies team, actually, yeah, mixed boys and ladies team, so I should come join. So ngaba like, okay, so first day, it was nice, ne? So ngaba like, no, let me continue with it because it actually makes me happy. Yeah, so that's how I started playing soccer. Yeah.
Hey, mina shame indaba yami uqala ukudlala ibhola. Hey, Nkosi yami. It's a long story yona ne. Mara into engayisho ukuthi uqala kwami ukudlala ibhola like besizula nje nabangani bami yabo. And then ke nafika ngase groundini wasitshela ukuthi namantombazana adlala ibhola and all that yabo. So baba like hi ithi sambe nathi sodlala cause vele like besiborekile same day singene groundini sidlale so cause lapho kujima abafana abaningi abasekasi so ngiyaziwa yabo yeah manje like abafana basekasi baba like hayi Thandi wozoba nathi so like yabona leyo nto leyo ukuthi ba like ngifeel welcome yabo into ezinjalo into eyangenza ukuthi like yeah ngiqala ukulithanda ibhola cause like I felt welcome.
Yeah so nidlala team A1.
Yes.
Okay, and what's the name of the team?
Kesos Queens. Yeah.
Okay. How did you guys join? Did
Kesos.
you join ngesikhathi C1 or nihlangane khona lapha?
Isikhathi C1.
Yeah, we joined same time.
Okay.
Most yama team esiya kuwe like siya C2.
Yeah, me too. Njengoba niza me too na ku podcast.
Yes.
C2.
I'm very much interested as to a friendship yenu iqale kanjani. How did you guys meet, like the two of you? Nihlangane kuphi, nihlangane kanjani? And indone yavele yaqlika ngani? And then you were like, okay, wherever I'm going, she's going.
Sahlangene ebholweni like it was bedlalela team A1 so obviously as a team kuba na like financial problems so sayocela ama donations then samba C2 so from after lapho besihlezi C2 like every day it was just us.
So kahle ne into esenza ukuthi mina noMelini sigcine siba close ilokuthi yabona eteamini ku okay eteamini kuhlezi kunalabantu laba man abangazingeni then eteamini kuba nalabantu abahlezi ba dedicated ne and then so like besile abantu laba abahlezi ba willing to do something for your team yabo so mina naye besinenhliziyo nengqondo A1 for football so I think that's why sigcine saba close kakhulu.
Okay. And then ngawaphi ama best moments wenu ku journey yenu ye football so far?
Invel. Ukuthi first time besiyo triala ku Jomo Cosmos bekuyi first time yethu siyo triala ne and then like besithukile ne ukuya khona cause like iJomo Cosmos yaziwa as a team enkulu yabo so besithukile ukuya ma trialing and then semasifika lapha okay senza into vele besizele and then baselecta from lapho ke yeah. Like that was the best thing that has ever happened because it's like abantu like they started taking us serious after playing for a team engathi iphezulu nyana bo.
Okay.
Yes.
I take it that was your best moment.
Yes,
as
it
much
was.
As you guys are friends, nihamba nithi nithanda into eyi-one.
Yes.
But I bet ukuthi somewhat kukhona la nibuya nidifare khona.
Yes.
One be like, okay, I'm enjoying this kind of environment, and then the other one is like, I'm free in this kind of environment. So in this case, what were your best moments?
My best moments is that like Mankorane, like she's the first one to run for me because yeah, it's me naing. Angeke nje bakijime like Mariana uzosuka emuva for ukuzohakabina yeah. And yeah, I appreciate that. Yeah, I'd say it's my best moment.
It's
yeah.
yours,
Yeah.
Okay. Ndiyayithanda into yenu. One appreciates what you two are achieving, and then the other notices the support that the other is giving. So if ever you're able to notice your support, obviously you're able to give it back.
Yes.
Yeah, well, so okay. And what are your let me say what have been your toughest moments?
Yo.
Yes.
Dala sikuwa ngebola yo. I remember there's this day ne besadlalela iteam yabafana Protea West. And then same day bekudlalwa kuphi South Hills ne. And then okay wenze ukuthi bashiye because we were late that day ne. Kunala sesadlula khona and then bashiye. And then manje yo okay sesagibele itex. And then I-address besinayo ne eyala kudlalelwa khona. And then sagibela itaxi yes okay samchazela udriver ukuthi sifuna iground lakhona lesesikolweni and then simtshela igama lesikolo abe like hayi ngiyalazi lelo ground ngizondropa khona hayi asdrope khona lapha eAlbertini and then masithi sangena egroundini ama teammates awekho mind you asinayo imali like asena mali asena next yabo. And then like ama teammates avale ama phone mazamba phonela asibatholi silahlekile sise Albertine mele se South Hills asina mali, so yo shame bekukubi sihamba sicela abantu imali, and I hope abazali bami bayibona lento because ngizongena enkingeni shame.
And on top of that, like he must bafonela basitshela ukuthi hayi kumele senze iplani, like bebangazingeni, like so now like they discouraged us from ukuthi like our time, we wasted our time ukuthi no sizokuyodlala then bona. So it was a risk actually, we took a risk.
We always take ama risks for a football shame.
Okay. So how has been part of a team or a club helped ukushape a characters by increasing communication skills, ukuthi sikhona ukukhuluma nabantu kahle and learn more new things.
Like ukusifundisa like ukuphila nabantu yabona, ukusifundisa ukuphila kwi-environment egcwele abantu kaso, because like mase grounding asifani yabo. So manje lento le iyasifundisa ukuthi okay lo ngoba uphuma kwi-background kasona like mele simtreat kanjena yabona, like siyakhona ukuba united even those singaphumi like kuma background afanayo mara mase grounding like siba into eyi-one yabo. Yes.
Okay. Internally, whatever that we're talking about, we are slowly deriving into a ground. So I'm intrigued to see a ground. Use gaming or nese gaming, nese matching. How do you guys handle the pressure? How's matching, especially double hectic corner. Coach wenu is pressured. The team is not promising which is a winner. Nyazama attack but nya defend more opportunities attack but nyamalale nje in a way, and then on the other hand kunama fans are saying coach substitute leyo muntu because of the mistakes mhlawumbe ozenzile grounding, or they're just not feeling indlela odlala ngayo at that moment yabona. How do you guys handle their pressure leyana and still be able to deliver ngalendlela le trainer grounding?
Honestly ne yabona makuzofika inkathi ezinjalo, okay umeli ngiyambize grounding and then we just hug each other, and then lento le iyasiza ukuthi sikhame down. Honestly ngisho noma like ama teammates kunento abazishoyo ngathi or like ucoach uyathethisa like ngaphandle kwe grounding nje masakana yabo.
And those little motivation words ukuthi hayi stay in the game, singayenza lento asinganaka abantu, sizowina.
Kahle we encourage each other.
Okay. And what does the teamwork mean to you individually?
Most of the times ne like most yama team eswadlalelile ne teamwork akusinto ebeyihlezi like yenzeka yabo, cause like grounding siyanyatsana too much as ama teammates siyadelelana bona into ezinjalo. So teamwork yimnomelini like teamwork yithi sithu, because like we can do anything besides bona yabo. It's not like siyawadinga, okay, not in a bad way though, but not ukuthi like siyawadinga amagama wabo for ukuthi sizozithemba yabo, because like we got each other yabo, asidingi next.
It's more than enough. And like she said, go on kama team esisawadlalela i-teamwork ibengekho, umuntu nomuntu uzenzile into yakhe. There was no unity. None.
Especially emathimini wabafana like yo besinyatswa.
Kuwesi shame.
Emathimini wabafana masifika, okay, abafana they have this thing yokuthi amantombazana like awawahluli ngebhola. Like hanye ngizohlula intombazana mina. Yabo. So like most yamathimi eswadlalelayo like siyanyatswa like yo shame. So gugupi nje.
And you guys are mentioning ukuthi i-teamwork ayizokelanga grounding or kuma clubs nje. Okay, you want to say something?
Like into enginotisile ne about ama teammates ukuthi umuntu nomuntu wenza into empleasayo yena bo, not ukuthi manje into kaso ngiyenza for thina as a team ukuthi siwin, cause uthola ukuthi manje isimo se-game like manje kusho that maybe ithingithi iscore yi-3-1 okay bayawina bana-3 and then sina-1 and then manje ethimini you know ukuthi emathimini kunalabantu labathanda ukushow both amos for i-crowd ubizisha amadolo izinto ezinjalo of which is into right because uyayipolice igame ne mara sometimes ngifila ngathi ezinye izinto zi-pointless because like manje mele sikhave ukuze sowina and then wena uzama ukujabulisa i-crowd ngokushaya amadolo like yangikwatisa mina lento leyo because ekugcineni mawuceda ukudlisa ibhola phambili umsebenzi uba kuthi ama-defender mele siphinde simake ibhola for wena yabo and then if maybe nge-mistake yenze ukuthi bakore i-fault yabo bani yethu ma-defender because sihlulekile ukudefend i-goal yabo so yeah.
I hope this question is going to make sense. But is football personal or professional to you guys?
Both.
I'd
say
say
both.
Both. Yeah, because I'm actually taking from what you are saying. Because I go emagroundini. I would see amajita bayadliwa kufanele bakhave score and then tell ukuthi there's a few players let's give up here ukuthi we are going to cover this.
Yeah.
Let me just enjoy the moment. Aqala shayidolo ayenze yonke lento le. Of which now I'm getting ukuthi why ezinye players are the same teams thanda ukuyikwatela le nto le and be like you're wasting this card no and all of that. Now I get it. So this means you two anithanda ukudliwa.
Asandi ayumuntu othanda ukudliwa yo
winning and losing is a part of football ne mara ukudliwa is not nice.
It's not nice.
Yeah.
especially if siyabona ukuthi like i-team edlala nayo like singakhava and then we could win yabo
Yeah.
manje
Then
wena
udliwe.
umoshi isikhathi ubishana amadolo
Let's look at Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs is one of the teams that has got players are great,
Yeah.
players are best,
Yeah.
players are corner ukudili. But Rio still.
Kaizer Chiefs ithakathiwe nje ayikho yaya ayingeke hayi
How do you maybe think ukuthi labajita are handling the pressure there? Because you are saying ukuthi if football uyadliwa uyawina. But then when you are actually starting to have wins that are losses that are competing nama wins wakho, obviously there's a problem. But how do you guys then make sure bangabani assist to coach in handling or in trying to change indlela mhlambe team performing ngayo, especially when you see ukuthi we are going to lose if ever this is the pace isizoqhuba ngayo? How do you then approach a coach and maybe bring them suggestions if ever a coach when it does allow you guys to bring suggestions?
no like every time like masuzama ukuza nama-suggestions uba like ngiyakutshela egroundini and then nawe uyangitshela ngikutshela ukuthi dlalani kaso and then manje because ngisegroundini yabo ngiyabona ukuthi kwenzakalani and then maybe I try using strategy esi-different for us to win. Coach uzoba like hayi anye kuzothi uyiplayer ngikutshele bese nawe uyangitshela yabo coach most yabo coach they have their thing.
There's this player Emajideni I think with 50
or 50 Cent.
Yeah, I think with 50. We had a podcast, to scale issues to issues last year, and then I asked him to actually give me just one player. Ayazi ukuthi grounding, whether he's taking decisions abangavumelananga ngawo maybe during the preparation for the game, but he knows ukuthi the decision aye wayithatha during the game it was best for the game. Trust and then he mentioned the name Yaka 50.
Himself.
Now, yeah, I'm starting to actually question ukuthi ngumsebenzi kabani to identify a player. Okay, to identify a player that is going to be matured enough to understand the game, to be able to interpret the game ngalendlela yokuthi uzokhona ukuyichange while akuyo, bangacabanga ngoba you have time and then bayohlala phansi and then bazama restructure and all of that, but during the game akhona ukuyenza ama changes and stuff. Who should approach who? Is it supposed to be a coach as I was like a player and be like, I see your potential, lana, can you? Or is it supposed to be a player as I like a coach and be like, as in coach, I do see a team in good but then I feel like masingayenza so we can be better. yabo sispan sakabani to approach who?
I think both.
Both, no?
Because see to coach uyazibona ezinye izinto, and then nathi as players we do see some things yabo.
Okay.
Yes.
And how is the level of the approach and the communication between the players and the coach?
Hey, it's bad shame because our coach bakanguti it's only for them ukuthi bakhulume, and as a teamwork doesn't only mean ukuthi ama player kumele ahlangane nabo coach kumele ba support, like maybe masifuna ukukhuluma, they give us a ear ukuthi yeah so
yeah, abo coach they have this thing yokuthi as a coach I know everything about football, and when cause we player you know nothing, so melumamele mina njalo, so ayikho into wena oyaziyo mina engayazi yabo.
Okay, yeah.
So that's why they don't usually listen to the players.
So do you guys approach the coach in the suggestion
Yes.
during the game or during the session, or do you wait or set up your appointment and then names is card where those are not drawing board and stuff, and then explain about the vision that you have? How do you guys do this thing?
Mina shame I don't, because ngiyazi ukuthi once ngakhuluma it's gonna be of no use, because ukukhuluma kwethu ne kuba ngathi bona ngathi sazi kakhulu,
Yeah.
and kuzogcine kube nezinkulumo ukuthi lo
Uthanda
unjani,
ukuthi
yeah, and so I don't even tell myself ukuthi I think ngizama ukukhuluma because it will be of no use.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's take a short break.
Yes.
Welcome back, Bafetch. Welcome back. You are still on Isebi. I'm with Melin Notandiwe, Kamasoko players, guys. The conversation is flowing. We're getting to know the girls or the ladies. Before the break, we were talking about 50 Cent. We're talking about 250. You mentioned something about your coach work during your break. Okay, let's put it on record. Let's put it on record. What is it you guys wanted to say?
We'll first like to introduce him. Okay, Simazi Ntate Mkhele. Yeah, the coach of Vultures FC. Yeah. Okay.
So like you know ukuthi ebolweni ibhola lidinga imali eningi futhi ne. So the time sisadlalela eJomo Cosmos, cause we are esikoleni, isikolo siphuma ngo3, itraining iqala ngo4, from ukusuka eKasi ubuya lena ngetaxi it's about 45 to 50 minutes ne.
Sure.
Yeah, and like ukusuka kwethu ukuya emakithi mhlambe mele sibe busy yabo, it's maybe 3:30 surely mele sibe siyaphuma sejimini. Untate Mkhele like Ntate Mkhele nobaba lo like usizile kakhulu, cause bekesendela imali ne njalo every week mind you sijima kayi2 besijima nini Tuesday and Thursday.
Yeah.
Saturday mele segaming, Tuesday sibuye esikoleni mela siphe 150 for ukbolta, for ukubuya mela phinda siphe imali futhi yabo. So like usizile kakhulu kwi football journey yethu, angazi ukuthi if bekungasiuye ngabe senze kanjani shame, because most of the times like mhlambe abazali masobacela imali tshela uthi hayi imali anginayo inini, like yena bekumuntu ohlezi akhona yabo 14. He's always been there for us, and like for that siyambonga kakhulu.
Thank you very much. La ukhona siyathemba ukuthi ibhekelele le video, which is
Sending
wanna,
love and kisses.
yeah, love and kisses. Thank you very much. Yeah, and best of luck for your team. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like ngisho nanoma like ngathiwa mhlambe next year genze ukuthi basithatha maybe kuma team amakhulu or in like angesesimkhohlwe shame, angesesimkhohlwe abona manje nje siyazi ukuthi if thiwa mhlambe kuyiwa kuphi like indaweni ekude kuyodlalwa and then khishwa ama100 yazi abazali wathi ayanginamali, especially for football abazali abayikhipha imali shame for football. Inthi babona kahle ukuthi hayi yinto nje yabo, so yena like uhlezenza sure, and for that thank you so much shame.
Siyabonga.
I feel like you guys just answered the question yamelandela, because I actually wanted to ask ngama challenges that you guys faced as amantombazana sakhulayo ku football.
The challenges that we face, okay, imali vele hlezi khona, number 1 on the list. Then bad talks, yeah, like abantu mabasikhuluma kabi kuba inkinga ukuthi ngidlale kahle or like whatever I want to do ngiyenze. So yeah, ukusikhuluma kabi, that is one of the challenges that I'm also facing.
Yeah, ish like yeah, vele financially ayike indaba zemali vele hlezi inkinga ne. And then nayo indaba ukuthi basikhulume kabi, cause into ebhlungu lokuthi bona abantu abasikhuluma kabi abantu mhlambe esikhule nabo ebholweni kaso yabo. Cause siye saba nenkinga nini amantombazana wasekasi bedlala nabo ibhola, and then before sizoya ema-trialini weJomo Cosmos batshela ukuthi hayi asambeni sonke yabo, cause sikhule sonke ebholweni yabo, asambeni sonke sozamani yabo into ezinjalo. And then babe like hayi thina si right asilapho
sine team yethu.
Okay, and then kwenze ukuthi sicele umakhelwane cause besingenamali ne, besingenamali yokugibela, sicele umakhelwane ukuthi cela asikhaphe ngemoto yakhe yabo. Yeah, ukuthi sikhona ke ema-trialini abe like hayi i-Saturday that day athi
Yeah,
we are Home Affairs ngi-Saturday, mind you besingazi nokuthi Home Affairs ayivulwa Saturday yabo. And then athi akunandaba zamani imali yokuya, sholi mani buya ngizonilanda. Asiyazi iJozi nale ground esiyakulo like bekuyi second time siyakulo mara like asiyazi iJozi, asazimuntu eJozi yabo. Okay, sizama imali and then sibe 30 minutes late for ama trial ne. And then okay ku trialwe and then siselectwe yabo. And then makumele sibuye phela sesiyafona manje asinamali lokubuya, usembisile ukuthi uzosilanda. And then siyafona manje asicela uzosilanda inini ifoni ivaliwe
ngaphendule ne,
like akaphendula and angeke manje like isofonele abazali because abazali bazi ukuthi yazi yonke into isorted because batshela ukuthi hayi imali yokuya nokubuya asinayo yabo into ezinjalo. Yeah, and then kena I remember from ucoach Peter ne asibuza ukuthi like isinayo transport sibe like yeah ubhuti wethu uthozo silanda, and then abantu bonke bahambe yabo, and then kusele thina kuphele groundini sacela ilift eJozi asimazi ubaba wakhona, samcela ilift asasinokuthi ama-taxi agibelwa kuphi kanjani, sicela ilift and then wawushiya eFaraday, I think iFaraday ne yeah la gibela ama-taxi khona. And then from lapho sakhuluma nomunye umkhulu futhi ebe-drive itaxi samcela ilift naye, and then wasilift ubaba abantu yaziyo, and then sasafika emakithi si safe.
I wanted to say shout out to i-taxi rank yaseFaraday. Is it
Shout out to Onisizile big time shame.
Is it itata or in?
I angazi shame.
I'm not sure ukuthi, but yeah, shout out
to
to
them.
Faraday,
They really helped us. Shame. Yo. So yeah, and then safika lana, and then masifika manje lamantombazana ethu laba besibatshela ukuthi siya ema-trialini bathi ukuthi thina wayesicela umakhelwane ukuthi asiboleke imoto cause ukucala thina umakhelwane akusinex yethu, bona bathi ubaba
I need to like they close with him, so
yeah bathi ubaba singasaphinde thina siyenze lento le. And then manje like ngendlela abasiconfronta ngayo like bafuna ukulwa nathi ngenxa ukuthi sesacela umakhelwane ne ilo, and then bashela ukuthi hayi ningasaphinde ngisho nanoma kungayenzakalani ningasaphinde nimcele ilift yabo. Manje okay kufika into ukuthi if umakhelwane nabe angakwazanga ukusiza ngabe uvelo basho ukuthi yazini ngizoba busy kakhulu because manje cabanga if ever like bekwenzeke something, if mhlambe kulawo ma lift and then mhlambe baye basitshontsha or anything iye yayenzeka yabo beyizoba
yeah benidlalela bani
besiyotrayela
before ama trials bedlalela abafana
iProtea West.
Okay, yo,
otherwise guess bonga umusa guys yo.
I feel like this is way deeper than indlela endiyireceiva ngayo at this point, because I'm thinking of the risks enizithathileyo. Ningamantombazana, you are young yabo, and for people who understands the business your human trafficking bangaba isebenza kanjani, they know bangaba you are of a high value yabo. So I fear ngendlela that you girls eningekho protected ngayo, especially for the things that are helping you grow yabo. Kunzima. This is gonna be a message to abazali ekhaya. if ever you're not going to notice umntwana wakho, I'm saying this because I know nami ngikhule ngommusic, yabo. There's a podcast where I was talking with my sister, the one who graduated yesterday. I was talking with her, and then we got to a point where we talk of doing a lot of things where we were supposed to have a support ne guidance family, and then besiziyenza uzo zinto ezo on our own. Yabon? She was running a school in doing all these Olympic things and all of that. Not even I have a video or image ukuthi no sister wami bekabaleka kanjani and all of that, because I was never there. Yabo? I grew up music nami. Singing left, right and center. Bengithi mangicula kuphakame bonke umuntu eholweni bazongifaka ama-100 ama in doing ama-choir, ama-clap and taps, but there was never any member of a family yami kuleyo nto leyo. And I best believe music fulfilled me more than anything. Is a multi-music, you're speaking to me. Yabo? And then my younger brother bekasebholeni. He every weekend he would go wayodlala ibhola nasesikolweni adlala ibhola, but I tell you, even myself, I've never seen him adlala ibhola ground yini. Yabona? So this thing of ama families not supporting amaphupho wama siblings wabo or abazali bangasupport amaphupho wabantwana, it's actually not just destroying a generation esiphila kuyo, but then it destroy nathi from the inside. I bet if ever you can go grounding, and then when you look la kuplo mama fans corner, you see your mom or you see your dad or you see your brother, I tell you the performance ongayenza grounding would be totally different from yonke lento esiyijwayele. You would improve. Yabo? So this is sad, and the absence of support doesn't only affect the performance yase grounding or a performance nje kwinto ithandayo, but then we concerned about the safety. Yabona, we concerned about the safety as well, because if ever umzali bekakhona phayana, parents would have taken you guys to trial. It's as simple as that. And then banimela na trial, and then baphinda babuya nani. Yabo, I think we need to reboot Mansi society and go back to the basics, because there's a lot of things that we are ignoring, and then it says faka phansi kotshani, and then be like, man, we'll deal with it as it comes. Intombazana, she's going to learn. Yabona? So yeah man, it's sad.
Kahle ne mina aside ndam not ukuthi like abazali bami or family ayikho supportive ne.
Sure.
Like I think lento bayenziswa ukuthi abafuna ukuthi like ngirely kakhulu kwibhola bo. Kahle bazama ukungitshengisa ukuthi yazini ibhola it's a short term career yabo, like ebholweni anything can happen, and then like uzosala manje mhlambe let's say ngiyalimala ebholweni uzosala sengenza. So kahle kithi they are trying to encourage me ukuthi like focus kakhulu esikolweni ungabheki kakhulu ebholweni, because I like ebholweni ibhola into engifocus kuyo too much yabo. So yeah.
Okay. Back to my questions. So, how do people in your family, I mean, in your community, view amantombazana that are playing soccer? Like banbona kanjani? You know, others bazonbiza ngama lesbian lesbian, ngama top boy lesbian, in and all of that. How do they view you guys?
Ekaslam lang hlala khona, there is some adults that encourage me every day ukuthi one day sifuna ukubona TV, you know, yeah, bese kuba laba ukuthi like they don't even care abangibheki nokungibheka. Yeah.
Mina kwelami kasi shem, I do get support from abantu, like abadala especially ne. Bashuthi hayi phosha mdise ini nabona sokubona TV one day into ja. But sometimes ukufila ngathi like basho lento leyo for like ukuqhuba isikhathi, it's not like they really mean that. Yabo. Yeah, mara ke kona I do appreciate izinto abazishoyo shame. Nanoma bakhuluma nje vele ngithi yazini I receive.
Yeah, it keeps us motivated.
So zeziphi indlela that you think ukuba ngaba ama female players are being overlooked, especially nje kule
are being what?
Overlooked. Yeah, especially nje kule industry nje ye sports kunye ne soccer.
Okay, thina as amantombazana like siyanyathwa la hlala khona. You know, we're not taken serious. Ladies football ayithathwa nje serious.
Not like emakasi kuphela, like uyazi ukuthi ibhola lamantombazana asinto ethathwa serious yabo. Ngisho like if we were to look into eyenzakalayo like emhlabeni, amantombazana adlala professional nabafana badlala professional, imali abayiholayo ayifani. Like I understand ukuthi why
And the benefits.
yeah, cause ilona effort esikhiphayo it's the same, cause into ibhola labafana after yona nathi as ibhola lamantombazana we are after the same thing yabo, cause like kuningi
And anyeke uzwe like abafana basekasi bathi yo iLiverpool amantombazana winile or iPirates amantombazana winile.
the main
like,
focus we
ebafaneni, the
ibhola
boys.
labafana actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, ne?
So thina sithathwa serious nje.
We deserve to be seen, guys, as
Now,
amantombazana
with
taken
like,
serious.
please.
How we are also capable of doing what boys can do.
How?
Yes.
Okay. What does it mean to you girls ukuba a female athlete today?
It's something big for me, Shame. Cause ngisho like nanoma ngiphume endlini mhlambe ngegaming and then maybe ngihlangana namanye amantombazana wasekasi ngizibona ngidifferent kubo, cause into esiyenzayo ayifani, and like into engiyithandayo ngebhola engenza ukuthi ngibe proud ngokudlala ibhola is that like ibhola ingihlukanisa nezinto eziningi honestly. Cause mawudlala ibhola you know ukuthi akumelanga ubheme utshwala like buzokulimaza yabona into ezinjalo. Yeah, so ibhola lingenza ukuthi ngiphume intweni eziningi, so for that vele kwamele ngizibone ngidifferent from amantombazana.
Yeah, like she said, yeah, Ipola takes us away from a lot of bad things, cause yeah, nokuzibona like eshangazi ukuthi ngayibeka kanjani, but for mina ezintombazana edlala ibhola ne ngifila like ngifila different from the others, because ebholweni ibhola like it's the best sport ever, I'd say. Yeah, cause like it's the number one sport in the world that it's been recognized, and it makes me not think about my problems. It takes me away from a lot of things. Yeah.
Why would you?
So nilisebenzisa kanjani italent lenu to actually express yourselves?
Talent to express yourself.
Okay.
It's a tough one, ne?
it's a tough one. Yeah.
Take your time.
Yeah, we are talented, but I don't know how we express it ourselves.
Man, it's talent lethu ne.
Yeah.
It helps us have confidence, yabo. Yeah, because obviously, like confidence is what you must have, yabo. So it also helps build a confidence in yourself, yabo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, and it makes a healthy reputation for yourself.
Because for effect yokuthi ngiyakhona ukudlala abantu abaningi bangibhekile yabo, mhlambe like esikoleni angeke ngize ngimind ukuma in front of the whole school, maybe ngidedicate ama speeches and all that yabo. So yeah, it does. Yes, it does build your own confidence.
So do you see yourselves as role models?
Yes. Yes.
Maybe.
Yes.
Maybe.
Maybe and yes.
Yes.
Okay, yes.
Yes, because I'm doing the right thing. How can I not be someone's role model? Hey, bo.
I mean, I'd say maybe because bakhona laba abangithandayo bese khona laba ukuthi abanginaki nokunginaka.
Yeah, actually we do have fans.
Yeah, mara we know ukuthi one thing for sure is that bakhona laba basithandayo. Like as TikTok account yethu iyakhula.
Shout out to you all guys. Thank you for the love.
Okay.
Continue doing the right thing.
Nice one.
And besides, yabona like ukukhulisa lento esinayo mina no Mailine, we also have a TikTok account yabo. Yeah, so kahle mara it's based on into zebhola kuphela bo. Yeah.
Okay.
To
Come on.
encourage abanye abantu,
Niyateka
young
la.
female footballers, so
Danisha ama-skill khona nigibeli nisha idolo and stuff.
yeah, it's just that these days we don't get time because uyenza umatric yabona.
Yeah.
So yeah, isikhathi esisitholayo nje mhlawumbe ukuthi sisejimini and then siyaphuma omunye nomunye emela ekubo because phuma late yabo. So we don't get time.
Okay. Who has been your biggest supporter?
Tatemkhele.
Even
Even our parents ne, but coach Vultures FC, shame, shout out to you.
Yeah.
And they
Mhlaba
like,
wonke mawubone yo.
I'm sure yena akana netluyo ukuthi he's been a big part in our lives because shame usizile kakhulu and ngisho naye akazi ukuthi he played a big role in our lives mara yena shame usizile yo.
And what kind of support do young female players need vele in terms of vele sports nje or football specifically?
Ngibona ngathi like kumele basize ngendaba zemali. They must support us in every situation. They must be there for us. They must make sure that we're safe no matter what. Yeah.
Okay. Anything you want to add?
I'm not sure.
Okay. You're not sure?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Okay. I'm going to ask the same question, but in a way that's totally different. Hopefully you're going to be sure this time. How important is presentation in women's football?
How important is it?
Is the presentation?
Like as females, ne?
Yes.
Yeah. We as female footballers, ne? Ngokudlala ibola, it represents a lot about us, yabo. We are capable of doing anything. It shows ukuthi into abantu besilisa abayenzayo, we can also do that, yabo. Yes, we're just capable of doing anything.
Yeah, and I'd like to add, it's as much as important as it is to the boys because we might be recognized by scouters or maybe coaches that coaches big teams. So yeah, our representation is important as the boys because we may be recognized and all that.
Okay. Let's take one last short break before Sizobuya to conclude the show. Okay. Welcome back, Bafetu. I'm still with these two mamas, guy, Melin, Kunyeno, Tandiwe. Yes, ladies, necessary right though. Okay. I only have a few questions, and then I'll play game nyani nje and then dizovala. Ne? Dinbonile, you were preparing for me. Nibuzana na my favorite colors and all of that.
Mara, ekamereni.
Hi, like ndifuna ukuexpose ukuthi
No, siyazana shame.
Bazama ukundicheata ne babuzana ngama favorite colors ukuthi omnye uthanda ntoni ukutya kuthanda amakota and all of that.
Siyazi
It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah, confusing
Yeah.
the enemy.
Okay, sendi enemy ngoku. Let's talk about your personal goals with football.
For me now, I'd like to improve more, like maybe in skills, communication skills. I wanna improve more. Good, yeah.
Mina as a defender ne, mara what's tricky is angeke ngazi ukuthi mhlambe in the next few years mangizodlala professional mhlambe leyo team izongibona ngigood ku defense or mhlambe ngigood kwenye position, so it's ingastiki kakhulu kule position ye defense ne. Mara things that I'd like to improve is I'm such a hot hot-headed person yabo. So like umuntu mazongikwatisa egroundini yabo, I just lose temper yabo. So I really need to adjust myself during a game yabo, and learn to like accept other situations, even though like umuntu angafika maybe anka backgrounding and be like, Yazin, let me compose ne. Yeah. So I think that's the least I could say.
Okay. Ndiyayithanda ke le nto yokuba ngaba we've actually mentioned that professionally, when you guys are playing professionally one day, especially for us thina abantu abangama-fans ebholeni, to actually understand istyle se-player esingazange sayibona egroundini, we ask ama-questions afana nale nizoyibuza ngoku. Yeyiphi i-team that you girls are currently aiming for? I know you might not get that contract, ningafumana enye and all of that, but I want to understand your style of play. So, yeyiphi team that you guys are actually aiming for?
Mina kudala ngifuna ukuzibona ngidlalela England ladies la uChloe Kelly adlalela khona. So yeah, England ladies, I'm coming.
Like I believe in her. Chelsea amantombazana, because like wow, leya team leya I angibona ukuthi like ikhona team engakhona ukucompete na leya team, because so far mangfollowa football amantombazana, like no, they know what they are doing, like commitment team, like indlela like aba so close to each other ngayo, indlela abathandana ngayo, indlela abadlala ngayo, like it's so massive shame. I so wish like ngaba part of the team, like ngibe kwi team ezo like ngenza ngibe nami yabo. Yeah.
Do you girls, should you afford, would you prefer to buy a house or to build a house? If so, okay, whatever question, answer nizonikeza yona, I want to know the reason. I'm searching for something.
Okay.
I want to build a house.
Build it.
Yeah, from scratch. I want to know what it takes to start something from scratch, not to buy something as it is, because I want to know the challenges that everyone took in building houses. I also want to feel the pain that how it is to build a house. I want to start everything from scratch.
I'd buy a house, shame.
Yeah.
Because imali izobibuzwa kimi. Like amandla uqalela indlu. Nkosi yami. Gonna like yinte right, like ukufuna uqalela indlu phansi, because vele njoba asho uzo experience some other things, maybe challenges yabona. Yeah, marage, I prefer buying it.
Yeah, and another reason why I want to build a house is because I want it to look how I want it, like my dream house. Yeah, ngifuna kuyenza ifane like the way I picture it in my dreams. Yeah, ngifuna ifane nale.
But like indlu yakhona phela ingarenovate and then ibe the way wena ufuna ukuthi ibe ngakhona. But like I prefer ukuthenga Nkosi yami.
Okay. I'm asking this question because I just asked you of Ama team that you girls are actually aiming for, and then you are mentioning Ama team Amakhulu that already say what developile.
Yes.
Yabo? So that is why the question would you prefer building something or we told us say ready and then we end some changes. Yabo? And then you are saying when we fully ready and then you just renovate.
I'll just renovate the house.
And then when you don't mind building from scratch.
I don't mind.
Yeah, okay. So why the international teams? Are there no ladies soccer teams here in Mzansi?
There are.
Akhona.
But like ibhola la eMzansi, especially lamantombazana abathatha serious, like
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Which is the reason why you girls are actually aiming internationally.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, that's dope. Let me not do follow up on that one. What would success look like for you girls in the next 5 years? Let's say you are successful. What would it look like?
Okay.
Yeah.
I know that I'll be successful maybe in the next 5 years or so, and for sure ngizobuya and change my house my house situation. I want to make my parents proud, give them whatever they want. Another thing is the football players like us, because I know the pain of not having izinto like ebolweni. What all means, yeah. And to all the coaches, fans and whatever, yeah. Ngifuna ukunibonga nani. Mangbuya nje yeah, phezweni. Buakanyela. Yeah, Buakanyela.
Yeah?
Buakanyela.
So that says Kanbuya and Pezgwe.
Yeah.
Buakanyela.
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 Yeah.
Buakanyele.
Okay, mina according to my heart desires ne as young female footballer ne, like bengathanda like ukuba yi-scout ne, like ngi-scouthe amantombazana adlala ibhola cause it's what we need, yabo. Like ukubonwa cause like asibonakali masekasi, yabo. So like ngifuna ukufocus kakhulu ekubhekeni amantombazana wala ekasi cause like amantombazana ne abasekasi ane talent eliningi futhi, yabo, of which is abantu they don't recognize that, yabo. Babheke like umathima ngathale, yabo. But ke yazi ukuthi akhona ama player vele aqala from 0 to hero, yabo. Laba baqala khona la ekasi ngifuna ukukhulisa bona kahle kahle, yabo. Yeah, into mina engiyifisayo ne, like manje njengoba ngidlala ibhola, obvious abanye abazolandela mina abadlala ibhola ngisho nabo kuzoba yinto abayifisayo. So like ngifuna nje ukuscout amantombazana adlala ibhola and then ngenze show ukuthi like they get something in return for their hard work, yabo, and for their dedication.
Yeah, and even abafana like nginokubona maybe ekasi mabadlala umuntu adlala ngeenyawo ngamakaws, like yeah, I also want to help them in, you know, izinto lezi abazidingayo, maybe ama-cogs, ama-cows, izinto ezinjalo, because thola ukuthi umuntu akhona umnandi mara akana ama-cogs, yabo. And yeah, nami ayikwanami anginawo she mara yeah ngiyaqhuba. Yeah, so yeah, I want to also help them in getting football materials because ayadingeka ebholweni. Yeah.
Okay. Sizoyispice apha kancane ne. Sizoyispice apha kancane. If you were to change one thing about women's sports, what would it be? Before that, ndine ask ne. Yizulu.
Sotho.
Yisuthu.
Yes.
I want you to respond in Sotho. Ne? Okay. Yeah, I want you to respond in Sotho.
Okay,
and I want you to respond in Afrikaans.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, get
To this question.
Get ready.
If you could change one thing about women's sports, what would it be?
Ngesotho.
Yeah,
Yo.
Sotho.
Yo. Akaqali ngeAfrikaans.
Ay.
Eyami izoba yindi inkinga, yabo.
Go for
No,
it. Go for it.
no, qala girl. It's not like ngiyayizwa Afrikaans mailini.
Nami angiyizwa isizulu phela.
Okay, khuluma ke.
Ngiyakhuluma.
So you chose to speak isiZulu so that nizo understandana. Omunye ngabe comfortable with home language yakhe.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. But I want this response.
Okay, would you
Afrikaans.
please repeat the question?
Repeat the question.
Yes.
Okay. If there's one thing you would change about women's sports, what would it be?
Gore like ne batho ba basadi like ba bonahale like lefatsheng kaofela e se mo ho community fela bo like ya lefatsheng kaofela ke tso gore like bolo ya banyana like inkiwe serious abo guys isankiwe serious no.
How would you do that?
Ka o promote bolo ya banyana ke ise like to an upper level.
Okay.
Yes. Ska get you hore like I'd like to be sponsor wabo. Yeah, so not a sponsor, sorry, like scouts or so. Yeah, because obviously I get lo ba scouts ha ke tla ba motho ana le di connection akere. Yeah, so akna di connection e jwalo ke ka gona ho communicate le batho ba di Kaizer Chiefs ba di eng wabo, and then yeah. Itla hola. And it lo etse.
Kizayenzeka na kanjani.
Yeah.
Oh. What's the question again?
What's one thing you would change?
Yeah.
We bola la mantombazane.
If you could change one thing about
Female football.
women's sports, what could it be? What would it be?
Okay, die ding wat ek wil graag hê dat moet. You see, she's already criticizing
No,
me. You see.
Right.
Okay, sorry. Die ding wat ek wil graag hê dat moet like verander in meisie voetbal is dat moet nie hard wees nie, like almal moet net reg speel. Ons moet mekaar like liefde wys en alles moet net reg is. Soos ek gesê ek wil terugkom en goed reg maak. Ja, ek gaan en ek ken dit sal gebeur. Ja, ek wil net almal moet saam speel, reg speel en alles moet net reg wees. Ja, dankie.
Umzwa.
Guys, ngicela ni-interpret.
Angeke
Okay, I don't want you to interpret there. I want to challenge my friends to actually
We know you can do it.
to actually comment and interpret what you just said, guys. It's true. I last learned the Afrikaans grade 4. The last time basiyekisa ukufunda Afrikaans, we were doing grade 4. That was in 2004, Eastern Cape. And then Afrikaans was cut off. Yeah. That was in 2004. So, askis. Andivanga, next.
Same.
I'm so interested in asking a follow-up question, Glenda Ititile, but I don't even know. I did say that we're going to have an interesting time.
Okay.
Ne? Where I'm going to test a friendship here. Ndinibonile ndinipreparela. I was like, okay, no,
nah, it's okay.
Sizozama
Izanazo,
strategy.
we got
Strategy.
this.
Sinjani style sakathandiwe egroundini?
Yo, okay. Okay, njengoba madlane, like she encourages amanye amaplayer ukuthi maka, you know, like she's a encouraging person, like uyangichaza because uyakhuluma emove, she communicates with the people that she plays with emove. Yeah.
And then uMaylin ila maplayer ukuthi omunye uthanda ukudribula ne uMaylin uthanda ukudribula, but ke yinto right because udlala phambili ne, mara maqeda ukudribula kanjalo yaba maqeda ukudlisa ibhola angeke azalima kuzoma shame. uMaylin uyama like uyama, no like maqeda ukudlisa ibhola uzoma shame yazi.
No, angithi like as a striker I was told ukuthi stick on the last man melibola uzolthola immediately mabaphasa thathi run uhambe yokora hayi ukuthi kumakhe. Okay, ukumakha kuba khona ne, mara hayi ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi hayi maka hayi.
Mara like ibhola lisuke liphambi kwakho uMaylin uvele uyazimela yazi awusazingeni.
So you prefer ngebhola bakunikezele?
No, like mina ne since ngidlala as a striker ne used to ukuthi like ngistike ne last man yabo, then it's either like bazophosela ibhola ngoba vele bajwayele ukuyenza lento leyo, then ngithatha irun or badlala enyaweni, then ke ya ngiqede lo engimqedayo ngihambe ngekora. Ukumakha vele angitswafi ukumakha ne, mara angimaki vele njengoba ushilo angitswafi ya angimaki. Okay, mara I'm a like I'm a improve on that. Ningawari guys, ngizomakha next time
umake.
So, what color does she hate the most, Uthandiwe, and why?
Lime green. Akathanda lime green cause nje once umuntu agcoka lime green umbona asavela ukuthi hayi lo ulo sesiyamazi ngo lime green. Lime green nice.
Into zikhulumayo la.
Uyaphosisa
Awukhuluma iqiniso. Mara ngeke ukuthi ngathi uba personal uthi
No,
makavela
not in a bad way, mara lime green guys. Shisa wena uvela no lime green. Awungeke awu.
Okay. Same. Yeah, asithandi color like like that too much. Like that too much.
Your lime green, your yellow.
Yellow is even better.
Yeah,
Lime green.
Lime green. yo.
It's just too
Lapho
much. Yo.
kuyashisa. Nasebusuku.
Yes, again, asiphume indaba zamakhala.
Okay. So ngubani othanda unxiba lo lime green lo?
Asumuntu masimazi.
You'd find
No,
it
like it can be anyone.
can be
Anyone nje
For as
ofaka lime
long-
green.
Okay.
Yashayana.
Ayo samsaba lo muntu.
Askisini, I'll carry it. We're actually in the business of testing friendship here, no?
Yes.
Tandiwe,
Yes.
what are the top three things you hate most about chomi yakho?
About Maylin.
Yes.
Number one ne. Mangino Maylin lokuthi like ngithanda ukwatshisa abantu because I know ukuthi ngine backup. I hate that because ayikho right. Number two, uMaylin. Eish,
Whoa. Number one,
asiye ke number one. No, not ukuthi like ngiyabakwatshisa esin like ngibathathela imali but like angifune kuphaphelwa yabo because ngiyazi ukuthi mhlambe masodlule and then amantombazana asibheka kabi yabo ngiyaphendula because ngiyazi ukuthi angithi ngine backup.
so you hate that about
I hate it, shame.
about her backing you up, mhlambe.
Yes.
Okay.
Because I'm doing into a wrong ebese nayo uyangisiza.
Okay.
Yeah. And then inkinga ukuthi uMaylin ish uthi controlling lo. Uyangicontrola. Wena ma uthi asambe siyemazibuko siyahamba ntwana mina mangithi asambe wena ufuna ukuthi sihambe. Okay, asiphume lapha and then into yes3 engizonda ngawe. Ngenzani vele? I think is it too. Akusizi into eziningi man.
Yeah.
Not ukuthi like ngiyazonda but like ziyangibhora.
Okay.
Wena ngawe ngaqala today ngicedelele kusasa. Okay, mara sikho lapho. 3 things there. Ayena shame she's controlling kakhulu, khuluma kakhulu, like akakhona ukuthula, like ukuthula nje. Akakhoni. Number 2, like zikhona izinto afuna ukuziyenza mina engafuna ukuziyenza mara ngizoziyenza cause huye, you know, and angithandi lento leyo.
Same.
Angithandi lento leyo. And number 3 yini ayikho, otherwise she supports her with shame. Yeah, Z2 pen. Yeah, 2.
Serious.
Okay. I want to close the show. Please tell me, what message do you girls have for amanye amantombazana sakhulayo that wants to play idiski but then bayasaba?
Ningasabi shame guys, ningasabi yazini. Wathatheni lawo ma risk cause niyazi ukuthi at the end of the day kunala azonisa khona bo. So yeah, stand tall for yourself, man, guys. Yeah, you can do this. Ngiyanithemba for as much as I believe in myself. We are capable of achieving greater things as girls. Since people don't see that, abo. Yeah, we are capable of doing anything, guys. Stand tall. Let us stand tall. Yes.
Yeah, mina ngifuna ukuthi nje keep yourself motivated. Ungazitshela ukuthi hayi mina lento la ngiyenze. Always be positive. Like, yeah, take a risk if it needs to be taken. You know, there will be challenges, mara overcome those challenges and do the right thing, guys. Yeah. You will do it. One thing for sure is that you will do
Yes,
it.
because like uNkulunkulu akasiphi ama challenges amakhulu kudlula amandla wethu. So every challenge we face like should like we can overcome ne.
Yeah.
Yes.
That was Tandiwe Maylin.
General Nsala.
Life with Jenna and Sala.
How follow us for TikTok, guys. Jenna Sala 5 ne.
Yes. Okay. Follow them of it. Ningalibalo engage on this conversation. Ningalibalo subscribe. But most importantly, there's that which she said in Afrikaans, guys. please assist. Please assist. Ngathi kanti bekasithuka and telling us how production yethu is doing bad, blah 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 blah, and thina siyancuma kanti kuliwa nathi. So please assist. Ladies, jabulela kakhulu man. I know you could have been anywhere. Sibaninzi abantu that are doing my podcast and all of that. I know I didn't even send you these questions prior. I gave you up and then I was like, you only have 10 minutes to go through 50 questions. But you are confident enough Tembe, that I am not going to expose you ngendlela that's going to harm you. But sizokula sonke guys. You are now part of iFamily MK and welcome on board. Guys, if ever there's anything that you would like to actually address or sikhulume ngazo, especially about the challenges of football kumantombazana, the platform is open and you are welcome at any time, at any day. I know people are going to actually engage babuzama questions if ever they're going to have questions. But if they get to a point where we'll need you guys to come back as Studio Sizopendula, we will do that. But if you can respond now in a text, comment, whatever, we will do that still. But okubalekile is that I appreciate ukuthi nithathe isikhathi guys na bolta wasting imali ningasebenzi nokusebenza ningabantwana besikolo, make time ukuthi nizospenda these 2 hours nami guy. I feel very special. Very special. Nibahle kakhulu. It's rare for us amajiti ukuthi sispend isikhathi eside kangaka with imam is beautiful kanjena ezingama soccer stars, yabo. So for MK I say big up, and I'm glad ukuthi I actually opened this platform so that I can have first class seat to actually get to know you ladies. So I appreciate you. I am going to watch you. You've mentioned ukuthi this coming Saturday you have a game, Mazibuko. Yeah, I'm gonna be there. Yeah, I'm gonna be there because I wanna see the two of you a grounding, so that the next time when we're coming sizokhuluma zobe ndinibhekelele sure, because the last time ndinibonile kwakukancane and the attention wasn't kangako because umsebenzi wawumninzi for me, but this time I'll be going just for the two of you.
Shout out to you guys.
Yeah,
thank you so much.
Before we started the podcast, you mentioned indaba yokuthi asilinakanga thina ibhola lamantombazana as much as sinake ibhola lamachita, yabona. I want you to say something kuma content creators or kuma photographers, or obviously kuthi thina abantu abane potential yoku expose this talent, yoku market this talent, yoku promote this talent, because thina isikhathi esibaya sicabanga ukuthi imali sebholeni lamachita, and then forgetting ukuthi there's you guys on the other hand or on the other side, and you are doing umsebenzi just as much as amachita. Yabon. What is your take on that? I want to close the show, but then I just thought of it. Good to know. Let me just ask and see how you guys feel of us neglecting you and going to Izinto Zamachita isikhathi esibaya. How are you taking that? How are you feeling? And what are the advices that you would give to us as content creators?
Is that like ibhola lamantombazana nayo like into ephilayo yabo, so like would you guys please pay attention to us too, because like we do need that attention, because like ukusupportwa abantu abaningi yabona, it also brings confidence yabona, wazi uthi yeah lento engiyenzayo at least some people do see what I'm doing yabo, yeah, and like bayibona ngendlela right yabo. So you guys supporting ilo ibhola lamantombazana really means a lot to us.
Yeah, as much as ibhola labafana is taken serious, my content creator needs to take seriousness. Maybe like think it is siyadlala Saturday ne, and then nyakora like can you go le massive ne top corner, then you make with camera like for memories, you know. Yeah, so my content creator, please take us serious, Nat. Yeah.
Thanks for taking you serious, okay, but guys, that was it for myself. And remember, you were watching Isebi. I call this episode Isebi because I invite I'm a creatives, I invite I'm entrepreneurs, I invite I'm business people, and then I invite my innovators. Yabona. So you guys are falling under my creatives because whatever that you guys are doing the grounding, that is art, Buffett. Yeah, that is art. Yabo. So I remember there was a time where once asked Kuti, why ungafaki nama-players phana kulama-definitions wakho amagama? And I'm like, ukhona uplayer that creative, u-athlete ukhona that creative. Yabo, so siyabulela bafethu. Okay, we're done.
Yeah, bye bye guys.
Done.
Stay tuned for more.